Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to discuss with you regarding global warming again. There is one term that is called carbon credit. I want to tell you today that what is carbon credit and when it starts. It's actually carbon trading. It's in simple words, if we say this is a permit to industries to release carbon dioxide in air. It works like if some company cannot to prevent release of carbon dioxide in air, they have to give some amount to countries or organization or institution so that they can utilize that money and absorb carbon dioxide in terms of trees, in terms of implementing in green projects, installing direct air carbon dioxide absorption and other alternative resource in by which they can prevent releasing carbon dioxide and make their projects green. This term actually started in 1997. Kyoto One Agreement was conducted in Japan with the contribution of all countries. They have introduced this term, carbon trading. Now, in last Paris Agreement, it was being emphasized to all institutions, all companies to make business, to utilize carbon trading, carbon credit. So first time Saudi Arabia started this investment with Kenya. They purchased amount of carbon dioxide to in Kenya. They have started to generate green ammonia and they are utilizing their green project in mining and other electricity generation projects. So this will make the environment better and it's a good input in moving the industries or the countries to save the environment. Pakistan also started this kind of project in two phases. One was to increase the mangrove forest and second is still that is not being framed. They have planned to go for some alternate utilization of carbon credit. They are also selling carbon. There are two stakeholders. One, the country who is going to purchase or the institution who is going to purchase, and in same amount they have to release carbon dioxide in their industry, in their country. And the one stakeholder who is selling the carbon credit, he will implement trees or other green project to absorb carbon dioxide from the environment. So nowadays it's very important for those countries who are suffering more, like Pakistan nowadays passing through very difficult time. They are facing flooding, urban flooding, and lot of cloud busting is occurring in whole Pakistan. So it's time to make aware people, and whole world should participate in this carbon releasing, global warming and all kind of greenhouse gases preventive measures they have to take care. Those countries who are generating but cannot reduce their carbon dioxide release in environment, they should help those countries which are affecting more. Like Pakistan is releasing less than 1%, but it is suffering more worst. the situation is more worse. So this a small video is to make people aware and getting the attention of the world to this area, to the carbon dioxide absorption and carbon trading. Oman is also playing very good part in reducing carbon dioxide. They are in planting trees, they are making ammonia, and they are capturing carbon dioxide from flue gases from ammonia plant and earth. So it's a good initiative by Oman government, and we all request other world members who are contributing more in carbon dioxide releasing to support those countries who are lacking, who are suffering more in these days. Thank you very much.